Holiday greetings automation. Sending holiday greetings ensures that your clients feel remembered and valued. Even a heartfelt message like Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas significantly strengthens the emotional connection and trust. So, let us now move into automation. We create a workflow starting from scratch. First, let's add a trigger, then I will add a contact tag. Once the tag has been added for a contact like a new client, then go ahead and save the trigger. Next, I will add a set event so we can start sending out various events. I will manually specify a particular date like Christmas in December. It is on December 25th. Save the action, then I will add another trigger, email. Next, using the official Kia USA account within the Kia Gmail system, I am going to compose and send out a warm holiday greeting that says, Merry Christmas from everyone here at Kia USA. This ensures you are officially sending the message to the recipients. To personalize this further, I will add the appropriate tracking tag, insert the specific custom value, and include the contact's first name to make it feel more direct. Then, to wrap it all up on this cute day, I will finish the message by wishing them a very Merry Christmas. I will save the action. I am going to change this entire theme to Christmas. Christmas automation. This is an email to your client. You can also incorporate this same strategy for other holidays like New Year or any other special occasion you want to send to your client. So you will publish it, then save it.